Hey guys, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. Today, we'll build a classic snake game using Arduino, a joystick, and the Nokia 5110 LCD. Here's what you need: components: Arduino board, Nokia 51110 LCD display, joystick module, some jumper wires, and a breadboard. Circuit diagram. Connect the LCD and joystick to Arduino just like this. We're using the Adafruit libraries to control the Nokia display. The joystick is connected to A0 and A1 to read X and Y positions. We define arrays to store the snake's body segments. The snake initially moves to the right, and food is placed randomly on the screen. When the joystick is tilted, we update the snake's direction. The snake moves every few milliseconds, and if it eats the food, it grows longer. If the snake hits itself or the wall, the game is over and the score is displayed. There's a simple start screen and a game over screen to keep it neat. Every movement and collision is checked based on a 6-pixel grid. As you can see, the game works smoothly, and it's super fun to play. Hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more awesome projects. See you in the next video.